Hey guys, my name's Jonathan Lamb. I'm an artist at Future Games of London, a Ubisoft studio. In this class, we're going to learn the step-by-step process of how to create an abstract low-poly tree by modeling it in Cinema 4D. Starting with a basic 3D shape, we'll take you through all the tools and skills necessary for the project. We'll then take a rendered image into Adobe Photoshop, where we can add the final touches to make your illustration really stand out. Some of the major topics that we'll be discussing in this class will include basic 3D modeling techniques, how to add color and gradients to a model, how to add lighting to the scene, and some basic tips and tricks in Adobe Photoshop. By the end of the training, you'll have learned how to create an abstract low-poly tree that you can use in your own illustrations and video game projects. This class is perfect for designers, illustrators, and anyone else who would like to learn a little bit of 3D modeling to add to their designs. So sign in or sign up and let's get started.